This is a Cadillac XT5 2016, and we are going to show you just the location of the HMI module and the tuner module. This is right above the glove box, all the way to the right, and there is a plastic bracket over there, and it's located above that one. And here is the picture of the tuner module installed right here, and then the HMI unit right next to it, right up there under the glove box. And here is the location of the Bluetooth module on the driver's side above the dashboard. And here is the location of the audio amplifier under the center console all the way in the back. And then there is right next to the fuse box.